everybody. Myself Hiral Patel. Today we are going to revise Math chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? I hope all your doubts will be cleared through this session. So let us proceed with this revision session. Standard 5, Subject Math, chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Revision session. So students, let us revise. Today we are going to revise chapter number 7, which you have learnt in previous sessions. So, in previous sessions, you have studied about patterns, turns and patterns, magic squares, magic hexagons, palindromes, number patterns, secret numbers, and number surprises. So today, students, we are going to revise all these topics. So students, let us proceed with what are patterns. Patterns can be called as designs. In math, a pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. For example, sari border designs, rangoli designs, designs on tiles, etc. Students, in next slide, you will observe different patterns which you can see on sari borders, on tiles, rangoli patterns, etc. Now, students, let us see turns and patterns. We can make different patterns by turning the given shape clockwise and anti-clockwise. We can also give 1/4 turn, half turn, 3/4 turn, and even we can give 45-degree turn also. These all turns are possible clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now students, let us understand different turns, that also clockwise. Here on the screen, you can see the original position of the shape. Now, if I want to turn the given shape 1/4, see how it will take turn clockwise. Now, if I want to give half turn clockwise, you can see the change in the position of the original shape. Now, 3/4 turn. So, this is how the 1/4 turn, half turn and 3/4 turn clockwise takes place of the given shape. Now, again let us understand different turns anti-clockwise. Students, please pay attention here. See the given shape, the original position of the given shape. Now, if I want to give 1/4 turn anti-clockwise, the given shape will turn anti-clockwise. Now, if it is half turn, you can observe the turn given to the shape. Same way, 3/4 turn. These all are anti-clockwise turns. Now students, let us understand 45-degree turn of the shape. Here, if you remember, in chapter number 2, shapes and angles, you have studied 90-degree angle. So, 45 degree is half of the 90 degree. So, if you want to give 45-degree turn to the shape, first you observe the position of the shape in 90 degree. Now, as 45 degree is half of 90 degree, so the turn given to the shape will be in this position. This is how 45-degree turn takes place in the shapes. It is possible clockwise also and anti-clockwise also. Now, my dear children, in this chapter you have studied how to play with numbers. Yes, here we are going to discuss about the magic square. What we do in the magic square? Magic square is to fill in the magic squares with the numbers using the basic operations of mathematics. You know what are these basic mathematical operations? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, first of all, just observe. Here is a square. Just clear about the horizontal line, vertical line and diagonal line. Now, just see here, one magic square is there. What we have to do? First, we will go through the rules while making this magic square complete. So, what are these rules? First, use numbers from 3 to 11 to complete the square. Next rule is use one number only once. And the third rule is the sum along each line is 21. Now, following all these rules, we have to complete this magic square. Now, let us solve the magic square. See on the screen. I have already solved this magic square. But how? Now just go through the following steps which I made to solve this magic square. Now, what are these steps? First, add two numbers given in the horizontal line. That is 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now, subtract this from 21. As you know, the rule that the sum of each line should be 21. So, we are going to subtract 11 from 21 and we will get 10. That is the third number of the first horizontal line. Now so simple. Wherever you find two numbers horizontally, vertically or diagonally, add the two numbers you have and subtract it from 21. You will get the third number in the magic square. So now we will check the total of the numbers in diagonal line, vertical line and horizontal line. Be careful. It should be 21. First, let us check first horizontal line. That is 10 plus 3 plus 8. That gives you 21. Second horizontal line, 5 plus 7 plus 9. That is 21. And the third horizontal line is 6 plus 11 plus 4 is equal to 21. Now let us check the vertical lines. So first vertical line, 8 plus 9 plus 4 will give you 21. Second vertical line, 3 plus 7 plus 11 will give you 21. And the third vertical line, that is 10 plus 5 plus 6 will give you 21. Now it is turn of diagonal line. See, 8 plus 7 plus 6. will give you 21. Same way, another diagonal line, that is 4 plus 7 plus 10 will give you 21. This is how we solve the magic square. It's so easy, isn't it? Yes. Now, students, let us move to the magic hexagon. What is magic hexagon? Here, we are going to computing the given patterns using the basic operations of mathematics. Computing means calculating. See here on the screen. You can see the magic hexagon. You can observe certain numbers in the circles. Now, there is one rule. What is that rule? We multiply the numbers in the circle and write the product in the square box between the circles. For example, see the numbers in the circle, that is 4 and 8. So we are going to multiply 4 and 8. That is 4 8s are 32 and 7 and 8, that is 8 7s are 56. We got the product 32 and 56. These products we are going to write in the square box given between the two circles of those numbers. So you can observe, see here, 4 5s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 9 2s are 18 and 2 7s are 14. Likewise, we solve the magic hexagon. Now, my dear students, it's turn of very interesting topic, palindromes. What are these palindromes? Special words and numbers that reads the same both the ways, backwards as forwards, are called palindromes. Here are some examples of special words. These palindromes are called special words also. So, these words are level, noon, refer, wow, madam, I, pup, did, etc. If you observe, these special words are read the same both the ways. Now, some examples of special numbers like 11, 99, 101, 121, 1001, 8008, etc. These are the special numbers that can be read the same both the ways. Now students, let us revise how we can obtain special number from the given number. That is, how to obtain a special number from the given number. Take a number, say 56. Okay? Now, turn it back to front. So 56 will become 65. Then add them together. When we add 56 and 65, we will get 121. So 121 is one such special number that can be read same both the ways. So we'll get the palindrome, that is special number of the given number. Now, dear friends, here we will revise some number patterns which you have already studied in chapter number 7. Here you should pay attention what it says. Changing the order of numbers does not make any difference to the sum. So, observe this number pattern. For example, see, a colorful shapes are given here. You can observe numbers inside those shapes. Now, what the rule says, if you change the order of the numbers, it does not make any difference to the sum. So, now observe it. 8 plus 11 plus 1 is equal to 20. In right hand side, if you add the numbers, you will get the sum 20. Same way, if you add the left hand side numbers, you will get 20. So, it has been just changed the order of the numbers, but it does not affect to the sum of those numbers. Now children, let us go through some more number patterns. Here you can take any number. Now multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then add 2 to it at each step. You can see here. See, I have taken the number that is 7. I will multiply 7 with 2. So what I will get? 7 2s are 14. Now I have to add 2 to the 14 and I'll get 16. Same way, again 7 multiplied by 3, that is 21, then plus 2, that is 23, and so on. Now, you will say, ma'am, what is new here? But if you have observed that if you subtract 16 from 23, you will get the difference, that is 7. Same way, if you will subtract 23 from 30, again you will get 7. Now try with other sum also. That is 44 minus 37, you will get 7. Same way 51 minus 44, the difference you will get is 7. Same way 58 minus 51 is equal to 7. And 65 minus 58 is equal to 7. So what you have observed? That the difference in the answer at each step is 7. This is one of the unique number pattern. Dear students, now it's time to play with your friends. Yes, secret number. Here we will guess the secret number of your friend. Ask your friend to decide the number. Maybe 63, suppose. Now ask to give some set of clues. The clues may be like this. It is less than half of 130. So observing 63, that clue is very effective. That is less than 65. Next clue. It is more than 6 tenths and less than 7 tenths. So, it is between 60 and 70. Third clue, the tens digit is more than ones digit. And now most important clue is the sum of digits is 9. So, easily you can guess the number. The secret number of your friend is 63. Isn't it? It is interesting? Yes. Now, dear friends, it's time for some number surprises which you have studied in this chapter. Yes, now take a number. 15, yes. Now double it, that is 15 multiplied by 2. The product is 30. Now multiply it by 5, that is 30 multiplied by 5. The product you got is 150. Divide your answer by 10. So 150 divided by 10, the quotient you got is 15. So again you got back your number. Isn't it surprising? Yes. Like this, many more number surprises we have seen in this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.